beautiful family, lovers of freedom all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love and your support. So, my beautiful people, as you know, Progress the Analyst, I am always here for you, any day, anytime. Do us a favor, always share our videos, like, and also subscribe. Because the best thing for you to do for Progress the Analyst, and what is giving me the courage, the support, is what you do that gives me the courage. So without not wasting much of your time, let us go into why we are here today. So I saw an update from Asare Dokubo saying that he don't want to be part of the social media life anymore. He don't want to grant interviews. He don't want to make any videos. He don't want to say anything anymore. That enough is enough. But I am here to tell Asare Dokubo, say no go, he not go walk. Yes, I say Asare Dokubo, it not go work. You've not even started. You never even give us any update. Just little killing. You just say some few words, and now you are going out of the media. Say you don't want to grant any interview anymore. It is impossible. We are not accepting it. Even if your brothers or sisters accept Asare, me, Progress the Analyst, I not go green. You must continue. Asare, you must continue. So I want to really ask you some questions. What did you see and why you decided that you will not make video anymore and grant any of the interviews as you used to do? In fact, now just one more to just shake this internet. Now one more to shake everywhere. It's just that has not lie. It won't work out. But let's hear from him. And I'll be right back.
Going to stop making videos. I'm not also going to grant any interview because a Calabar man reaching that position does not speak any other language than Calabar.
So I am here to ask Asare Dokubo some questions like, Asare, what is the updates about Tinubu? For some time now, you have not said anything. You kept mute. Just for you to come out to say you don't want to grant any interview anymore. So why is it that you've not been giving us updates about Tinubu, or as usual? Tell us.
And my Calabar is not very good. I'm going to learn Calabar more. So even pressmen don't come for interview again. Interview has ended. Yes, sir. Television has ended. Yes, sir. Everything has ended. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay,
are you so sure that nothing happened? Tell us what happened. Anybody when he shake you or jiggy you, we are ready to jigga that person. Just tell us what really happened.
Old man.
70 years old.
Many people are bastard billionaires because of that.
It be like say, Asare, you don't know, say the truth is some people will be happy while some persons will be angry. So tell us. Sure, you know, say some people go verse, sha. Like me, I go verse, of which I thought they already the verse.
Yes, from today, many people go happy, so I know they talk again.
So they don't go happy because they know they make money.
No. The people will go happy. Whenever I talk, then they get attacked.
But people that make money, they know.
No, they're not happy. No, they're going to do. They take our dance and we go see the dance. No, we go see the dance.
I just they laugh. For my place, they say I laugh me that way. That means I laugh and I laugh again. Asare, have you finished all the exposition you promised? Everything where you promise say you go talk. Even as they send you to do interview. You talk everything. How you go, Abuja, wetin happen, wetin everything. You even say, if they don't want me, they keep secrets. They go keep on to the expose. So, Asare, make it not be wetin I think, like wetin people they talk, oh. Make it not just be like waiting people they talk. You never finish exposition. You say you go where? You go nowhere. But we still keep on hearing from you. You never know. You know they go anywhere. You, Asare, you go nowhere. This time around, we must finish this exposition where you start. Hey.
But talk, we no go talk. Alajawa Meseliki. Alajawa Meseliki. Alajawa Meseliki.
I tell you before I say you go must talk. Asare, you go must talk. You go nowhere.
You go to paint them. No. As my people like me, they paint them. Then say, what thing make this man in people still like him?
Hey, you lie. I say you lie. You never finish everything. Just they come out. You don't know how me and you take the talk. Once you talk like this, I don't move on. I don't the answer. Now you say you know they talk again. As I went to go, but no now. It's too early now. It's too early. You not even do video reach 50. You do reach 50, be this period, you reach 100. Ha! You say you they go. You go nowhere, Sarah. No. You go nowhere. You are here. You go nowhere. It's too early now. Do you know what people are saying? When you know what people they talk. Make I tell you what people they talk, you know? Sarah, you go nowhere.
You think they paint them? But we never talk again.
But anyways, Asare Dokumbo. Alaji Asare Dokumbo. Please share this video, make it reach Asare hand. Since he say they go, I talk. He said no, he's going. Even without the I may when people don't talk about you for me, you say you they go. Okay, oh. But I don't say you go still come back. You will still come back to meet me here. You will come back. Asare, a lot of people they are saying different things since you make this video that you are going. A lot of people said that they have finally settled you. That is what they are saying. Trust me, Asare. Trust Progress the analyst. I mean, they talk the talkable. And they talk as it be. Asare, they say they don't give you something. Say they don't settle you. Say that time when you come out, when you they shout, they vex, they provoke, they shout. Say that time, they no one grants your request. They say as you can't shake them 5, 6, 7 times. Now so they arrange their legs and their hands. They start to do the needful. Say they don't give you something. Now so they talk. Come me talk. Now so they talk. All these people they do. Say Asare, say you have collected something. Say Papa Blue don't settle you. Not true. If money don't come, let me know because you can't leave me here like this. Asare, they say you don't collect something. They say you don't collect something that make you they come. Say you not talk again. Say they don't grant your request. You don't say that time you they shout now. You they shout, you they vex. Say you not do again. You not do again. That they fear you. You know before say that they fear you now. They don't need your wahala. They don't need your problem. Everybody. You know, say Asare Dokubo. That time if they drop your video like this, some people call they talk. Say say me will not mind you. Say very soon. Say you go. You know go they talk again. I say na lie. Say you go talk. So as you go to say you know they talk again, the ticker just they surprise me say shoo. So it means that this thing when these people they talk that true. That's what they talk. Say you not go talk again. Say you not go talk again. I say na lie. Say Asare go must talk. Say the Asare when I know na talk na do and na fear nobody. Yes. Say you go must talk. But I surprised as because say you know they talk. So that is why I say let me really ask you. Are you sure you are not talking anymore or something else happened? Because you need to let me know. Somebody that has fought for you. Me, I have denied a lot of deniable for you. I have said those things that those people are saying that one day you will say you are not doing anymore. I say they are all stories that something that I know that you fear nobody. That you will keep on talking. So what happened? Because as you just changed, they started telling me, oh, Progress the analyst, we told you. Very soon, Asare will start to talk. You said no. I said, when I really reach, I can't say you say you know they talk again. Why now? No. You just change. change that for everybody. No, you change that for everybody. I don't even want to grant interview. No, they grant interview, but you see talk. Yes, you cannot remove the two things. You remove interview. We don't even need the interview, sir, but you see your talk. Talk. You know now, 70 years old man. As you talk out, 70 years old man. As I don't know, you need to talk so that those people that are saying that they don't already finally rub mice with you, they go cause shame, put them to shame. As I talk. And tell us what happened. Why you decide say you not go talk again, you not talking. So please, as I you go must talk, oh, even if for nobody because of me. Even if for nobody because of me. Based on as I you must talk. Honestly, you go talk. No walasha. I know that very soon you will still talk. And when you talk, don't forget, I am always here. Progress the analyst, I am always here. But I know that you will still talk and you will talk. So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do it to like the video, share and subscribe. And just let me bring to your notice what is going on right now. Azare Dokubo, as you all know, or as he normally called him, said henceforth he will not be speaking or granting interview no longer. Not again, that he will not. He quit everything. But mind you, he said you can still go and watch his dancing step as usual. That every morning he will be sending songs for you, or dancing songs or dancing videos that you will also watch to make sure or to know that Azare Dokubo is fine. But a lot of people said it is impossible that it's like Azare Dokubo has been settled. That is why he said he's no longer interested in granting interview or making any videos. So, trust Progress the analyst. I'm here to give you all the updates, what is happening, and the position of Azare Dokubo. Thank you so much, everyone. Please do it to share this video. Tag Azare Dokubo. Say, hey, Progress the analyst say, no, he go nowhere. He must talk. Thank you, and bye-bye.